I've always worked hard. I blame that on my parents because both my parents worked super hard. And I think I've passed it on to my children. But for the most part, number one, I work hard because I don't even know what I would do if I were ready to retire. I would be so bored. But I just, I love to travel. I love to go places. And I'm not saying, yeah, overseas or international, but I like putting the bike in the car and taking off for a weekend and going somewhere and riding. I like signing up for races and rides in cities that I have never been before, and I just go. And some of that, it costs money. You gotta have gas money, hotel money, upkeep on the bike, whatnot. Um, and I just can't imagine not doing that. Um, Maybe someday it will be on a broader scale, but right now, just getting out and getting around, I think you have to have some goals, you have to have some dreams and some places that you want to see.